Can you see how streamlined my WordPress admin sidebar is? I'm missing a lot of items. You can do this for free with a code snippet where you can show and hide what you want to see. Now, nothing is removed. It's just hidden out of view. Because sometimes when you have lots of items on here, it gets really busy. And I don't need to see every single item. Here's the code snippet that you can get for free from the link in the video description. Just go and download it, then make sure you got the code snippets plugin. You can import it or add it however you want to add it. Go and give it a title, save and activate. And now whenever I go over to my dashboard, this is what it looks like. But how do you show and hide? In fact, what would this have looked like if I hadn't activated that code snippet? This is what it looks like, and you can see there's items on here that are important, but unless I'm actively always touching them or changing them, do I have to always see them? So this has got WooCommerce on here, but that's all set up and the machine chugs along nicely. This is a demo website. Do I need to see WooCommerce products, payments, analytics, marketing? Do I need to see hello? So what you can do is show and hide things, and here's what you do. When you've activated that code snippet, you go over to screen options. You'll now see the option for WP sidebar. I've already got it enabled. And whatever you show and hide will be remembered. Now, this is only for your user account. So if you've got a website where you've got multiple admin people or editors accessing the back end, they would have to go and do this all for their own website. So what happens is if I now open this up, everything is in the same order. Now, I don't show you the sub-menu items because that would become really busy. So I may want to hide posts because I'm using a custom post type. I'm going to get rid of comments. I'm going to get rid of all of these items here. And can you see how it's really quickly just removed them? And by the way, if you want to bring anything back in, you just do. It's not removed. I want to make that really clear. You're just hiding it. And this is going to detect what is visible. So when you go and add in a new plugin and maybe you set something up, but you no longer have to touch that. You know it's there, it's in the background, but you don't want it busying up your sidebar. You could hide it from view. And that's it. And you don't even have to ensure that this is on screen either all the time. Look, there you go. I'm not even showing it as a screen option now, but it remembers what you set. So if I know these are the key important things that I'm actively always going to be using, that's all I'm going to show. If you hit reset, it will return all of them in one go. If you don't want to even show this on there, you can untick it, but it doesn't forget what you did. That's a free code snippet. All right. My name's Imran from Web Squadron. I hope I hope you sign up for our YouTube channel for exclusive videos. Take care. See you soon. Bye.